Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the GoHighLevel application. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your forgotten password in this app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the GoHighLevel application on your device, and when you open it up, you will be taken into the login page. From here, you can either use your Google account or your credentials to log in. Now, if you had created your account using your Google ID in the first place, then you don't really need to enter your password, as you can tap on Sign in with Google and then choose the Google ID associated with your account right away. Now, if you used your email address manually to create your account, then you will need to tap on Forgot Password. When you tap on this button, you will be asked to enter your email address. So type in your email address that you used while signing up and then tap on Reset Password. This will then ask you to check your inbox to find the verification code. Once you find the verification code and enter it, you will be allowed to create a new password for your account. Once you set this password, you can use it along with your original email address to sign back into your account and regain access. And that is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on the GoHighLevel app. If you find this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next one.